Hey everyone, I thought I'd make this quick video so in case you happen to miss one of the introductory sessions about Wordmasters, you'd get an idea of where you can get your materials. So for those of you who don't know, Wordmasters is a competition that happens 3 times a year in which you are given a set of vocabulary words. So if you look at this front slide, it says Wordmasters because that's what we're talking about. Grade 3 because that's you, and set 1 because there will be a set 2 and there will be a set 3. The challenge will take place the week of November 16th. So it could take place anytime within that week. The second slide shows you all of the words that you're responsible for if you choose to do the Wordmasters challenge. I created this slide because I think it's a kind of fun way to start thinking about them, because just knowing the words is not quite enough. You have to figure out how to connect them because the contest involves analogies, and we'll talk more about that later. So I look at these words and I think, how do they go together? Well, I know that brittle is a word that means hard and breaks easily. Like, I don't know if you've ever had peanut brittle, but peanut brittle is hard, but if you drop it on the ground, it's going to break into a bunch of pieces, or it's going to shatter. So I would highlight those two words because I think they go together and they're likely to end up together in the contest. Let's see, another good word is decrepit. Something that's decrepit is old and worn out. Another word for that is run down. So those definitely are going to go together in one of the analogies. Let's see, you could also have scamper. Scamper is a way of moving about quickly. Like I think of squirrels scampering or chipmunks scampering. Little animals like that move quickly from thing to thing. And then I think a related word will be flit, because that's also a quick way of moving. I usually think of that more as birds moving from thing to thing or butterflies, but they're both similar words. They're about movement. So as you start to learn the words, you can highlight things, change colors to draw some connections. Now, the whole goal is to learn the words, and maybe you don't know them. If you continue through the slides, you'll see that there's a definition. The words have been used in a sentence, and then some synonyms and antonyms have been listed. Now, there are a lot of slides that have already been completed just to give you the idea of how it works. Look at all these that have already been filled out for you, and you just need to focus and learn them. But eventually you'll get to some that haven't been completed. This is a chance for you to do some learning, to do some research, look up some things, or ask someone what some of these words mean, and then you can fill those in. Now, where do you find these? If you go to the 3rd grade ACE Place and then look in the Language Arts folder, you will see something that says Wordmasters Grade 3 Set 1, and that is this slide set for you to use. So hopefully this has been helpful, and you will get a chance to prepare for the challenge, and I'll see you the week of November 16th.